This is a review of the ASR glue gun. I've had this for a few weeks and I wanted to demonstrate some of the features that it does have. Number one, it's fairly easy to use. You just simply plug it in using the standard plug-in here. And it does heat up quite rapidly. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Now you stick in the included glue sticks here into the back. And once again, it does heat up quite quickly. It does come with this anti-drip nozzle here, which does work quite well. The other nice feature, it does have an on-off switch. So you always know when it's on because it does tend to get hot. Even though it is heat resistant, it still does get a little bit hot when you're using it. So you want to turn it off when not in use. And then you simply press here and the heating action will melt the glue and it will drip out in just the perfect amount. The other nice thing about it is it does have this folding stand here. If you want to use it, you simply just bring it out. There you go. I highly recommend this glue gun for anyone who has gluing needs that would require a gun.